me like Joanna, Joanna. How you do me like Joanna?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jo, and I'm back with another video. So today I am doing a makeup tutorial, obviously, which is why I look like this. The vibes I'm going for is very like hot girl summer vibes, colorful, big, bold. You know, let's hope it turns out well, because I actually haven't tried this makeup look out before. So my face is already primed, my eyebrows are done, my eyelids are primed. So you know what, let's just get started. So I'll be mainly using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Get this red right here, and we're gonna really like build it up on this outer V of your eye, and just keep on building it up and getting very bright and red. Oh, this morning I woke up at 4:30, y'all, to go see the sunrise with my best friend Deborah, and it was honestly experience. My mom didn't actually think I was gonna wake up that early. I didn't think I was actually going to wake up that early, but I did, and it was so pretty, y'all. Like, it was honestly gorgeous. Like, wow. Like, God created like the earth and the sun and all that, and he did an amazing job. It was so pretty, and like the beach was so warm. I mean, it was like kind of cold, like not cold, but like chilly, if you know what I mean. And you know, but the water was really warm, and it was just so nice and like inspirational. I don't think I'd actually ever wake up at 4:30 again to go watch the sunrise, unless it's like on a date or whatever. I'm gonna put the red on my lid a little bit, but continuing to make the outer red darker. 5:48, the sun started to rise, and it was very nice and like wow. After that, we went out to breakfast at Me Mom's, which is this place in Wall, that's near where I live, and y'all, that place is amazing. Like, that place is basically a sugar coma. It has a whole bunch of like French toast and like pancakes, but they have like the most amazing and weirdest creations ever. Like, wow, Lord. Like, y'all, I had a cinnamon bun pancakes, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm obsessed with cinnamon buns. Like, I love cinnamon bun Oreos. I just love cinnamon buns in general. I'm also bringing the red down near my inner eye, but not actually on my inner eye. And then Deborah got like this cookie dough French toast, and it was amazing. It was very, very good. Now that I finished doing this side, I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and blend out the edges. Later today, I'm going out with Angelina, Abigail, and Deborah again. We're going to see The Lion King at 4, which I am beyond excited for. It came out about a week ago. Yeah, and yo, I'm obsessed with The Lion King. The Lion King has always been my favorite Disney movie, like, of all time. Needless to Spirit, when the music video dropped, and I was obsessed with that. And then she dropped the gift album like the night before. Yeah, like the night before, and I was like, yo, this album is so good. I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows with this Maybelline concealer in light 15 light. This is what I used to also like prime my eyelids. So then Friday at work, while I was working at the library and at my other job, I was listening to it, and I'm like, yo, this album is amazing. But when Spirit came out, and I was listening to that the other day, like when the music video came out, and I'm like, yo, I love this song. And Brown Skin Girl is one of my faves. Spirit is also my favorite, and Bigger. Those I love. Like, I love the whole album, but those are like my favorite. I'm just gonna use this because the brush is turning everything red. Okay, now that it's relatively dry and I put some powder on the cut crease or whatever, we're gonna get this a dark blue right here and like pat it on my eyelid. And I also think it was so cute how like Beyonce got Blue Ivy to sing on it, and I was like, yo, Blue Ivy is that child, you know, like Blue Ivy got a bright future ahead of her. I was like, yes, Blue, her voice is so cute and adorable, and I loved it. Like, that was amazing. The whole album is just really amazing, and I feel like all this hype made it better. Like, when they released the promo photos like a week before, and then just releasing Spirit, and then releasing like the whole Gift album, like, I feel like that just built up hype even more to make The Lion King like a better movie. So let's hope like the movie actually lives up to like all the hype. I hope it does, because if it doesn't, I'll be really upset, because when Disney live action the Cinderella was good. It wasn't the exact same Cinderella like as the cartoon, but Cinderella was actually really good. I think it worked really nicely. I feel like people forget about the live action Cinderella, but the live action Beauty and the Beast, like that live action, that was perfect. That one was like perfect, and there's nothing else you can say about that. Like, it was so realistic, like realistic in the sense that like it reminded me of the kid movie, the cartoon. Okay, now that they're both done, I'm gonna go back in with the red to kind of blend out the edges so it's not like too harsh of a contrast, so it looks seamlessly blended. Back to talk about Disney live actions. Like, I think the Beauty and the Beast one was done oh so well, and was done like magnificently. Like, that one I think was really great and amazing. But the Cinderella one was done well too, but I just like people just forget about that live action like all the time, because like it was the same Cinderella but not with the whole message of courage and kindness, and like her horseback riding and her like seeing him in the forest and all these like other non-traditional things. So I feel like people forget about that one, or like forget that it relates to the cartoon. Beauty and the Beast was it was done really well, and like anything extra they might have added or removed, I don't really even know, because I think it was basically like the same thing. The Aladdin that they made, I feel like the Aladdin wasn't that good. Like, I feel like it was doing well and was very similar to the movie, except where the part came that Jafar took over and they were fighting him. I don't think that is as accurate as it is to the cartoon, so that kind of bothered me. Get this blue right here, this like kind of shimmery blue, because it's like dark but shimmery. We're just gonna focus it like on the like little center of this eye. I just feel like Aladdin could have been better, to be honest, and nicer. It just didn't flow. It wasn't like as seamless. Like, I was like, yo, there's a big difference. Like, it's just a very big, in my memory I'm like, that's not how it goes. It was like, something is wrong. Why is something wrong? Actually, I might just cover up the blue with this. I like how this is shimmery. Yeah, I'm just gonna cover the blue with this. We're gonna blend out the edges of the red again. I know they're talking about some live action. Another one, I just can't remember at this point. But basically the moral of the story is I'm very excited to see The Lion King. The other moral is don't wake up at 4:30 to go see the sunset, and then eat a whole bunch of sugar, because then you will have a sugar crash. Come on. I really like how this eye look turned out. I don't want to put eyeliner because I feel like it just would ruin the look. So we're gonna leave it like this, because I feel like if you put eyeliner and it's black, it's just gonna mess it up. And if it gets messed up, I won't. I'm not gonna redo it. So let's take off the tape and let's get to the foundation. So as y'all know, I'll be using the Fenty foundation in 470. In 470. I've had this foundation for about a year and I barely used it. I mean, to my defense, I did have another foundation that wasn't anywhere near done when I bought this, which I should have learned from that. And I don't believe in wasting makeup, because I just don't. It's just not in my like blood to waste makeup, but it's okay. Because now I have all my time, dedication to use this, and this fits me so well. I'm only gonna do 3 total pumps for my entire face because it is hot outside. and I don't want to feel like I'm melting personally. I'm gonna go in with some foundation right above my eyebrow. The Maybelline concealer in 55 Hazelnut to highlight under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this fake beauty blender and blend it out. And actually, I'm gonna highlight my forehead a little bit too. We want that nice summer glow. It is a hot girl summer. You don't want it too much. And like a little bit on my nose. I leave for college, y'all. Well, okay, I leave New Jersey August 13th. I really, oh, my nose looks, oh my gosh. We're gonna fix how big and fat my nose looks. I moved into college, moving is August 15th. I'm leaving New Jersey August 13th because the drive is 7 hours. So like if we drive and take the whole entire day or whatever, I want to like at least be able to rest. Like the next day, not have to worry about like moving in, like getting straight into action. I actually want to be able to like sleep and rest and have my sanity about me. I'm gonna get this brown Olay Pro concealer in dark cocoa. We're just gonna, I don't know what we're doing, to be honest. I don't know how to nose contour. I barely know how to contour in general. So we're just gonna like, oh my gosh, I think I just made it worse. I'm just gonna do that. And then we're just gonna use my foundation brush and hope I fixed it, whatever I did. Okay, it looks, I don't know. I don't have a clue. On top, not the blue we use underneath, and put that under my eyelid. This blush, whatever you guys already know. The Sephora foundation, cream blush and flash fuchsia. They don't sell these anymore. That's how like long I've had it. I'm gonna get a little bit with my finger and I'm just gonna dab it on my cheeks. And it's okay if it looks like I have a lot on because we're gonna blend that out completely. Just get a little apple shine. Next, I'm gonna use the Fenty foundation in Hustler Baby. Put some in my nose, on my chin. And we're gonna get this small brush and put some in the inner corner. Cause I really do love an inner corner highlight. You can say I'm obsessed. And then we're gonna do it right on the arch of my eyebrow. Y'all, I forgot to put powder on my face to set my face. I don't know how. I forgot that. I usually don't. So we're just gonna get my Black Radiance powder, the soft focus one. We're gonna lightly powder over my face, over the blush and the highlights. Okay, now that my face is all set and everything's basically done, I'm going to get this Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Sheer lipstick gloss. No, matte lip gloss. I don't know what it is. Just gonna apply it to my lips. It's very red and I don't like that, so I'm gonna go get my Fenty lip gloss to make it less red. I am back with the Fenty lip gloss. It probably still looks super red, but it looks less red and more like gold red. I like that a lot better. In this hot girl summer and this hot girl weather, always remember to set your face with makeup setting spray. Hey y'all, hope you enjoyed that makeup video. This look turned out a lot better than I thought it was gonna turn out, and this is exactly how I imagined it. And I'm very good, very happy about that. I'm happy with the look. The lip could definitely be a little bit different, a little change, but I like the whole glossiness of the red. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to turn on your post bell notifications on, so every time I upload a new video, y'all will be the first one to know. Anyway, I'm trying to upload every Wednesday and Saturday for the rest of the summer because now I'm free. I can film a whole bunch of videos. I'm doing a whole bunch of fun things. I have a whole lot of college prep to do. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends. See you next time. Bye.
Give it to them. Give it to them.